Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. What motivates a person to stand up and be counted varies. There are positive motivations and there are some negative motivations. For example, some politicians are driven by ego and others intend to improve and advance the circumstances of their constituency and community. Pandering to the ego is usually seen as a negative thing, whereas improving and advancing the circumstances of others generally is seen as a good thing. And the two can overlap, not just in the lives of politicians, but also in our own lives. And leadership that is exercised exclusively for the welfare of others is rare. The good news is the likes of you and I are both kind of rare. You already know that you are unique. You already know that you're a little bit different from the general population. And with the intention of improving the welfare of others in mind, this has the potential to be a good thing. Some people find it hard to break free from the prison of self-interest, which results in a disparity between public purpose and private purpose. And the battle between good and evil is found in movies, literature, religion, philosophy, and our own lives. Now, each of us contains good, bad, beautiful, and ugly. And it is up to us to steer clear of lies, disloyalty, hypocrisy, and vices, both within ourselves and in other people. So regardless of your reasons to stand up and be counted, to support your values and beliefs, you need to stand up anyway. Everyone needs direction, and often you'll find yourself in a position of offering direction to others. Everybody has the opportunity to achieve goals, to be an example, to inspire and cultivate unity, to encourage productivity, to solve problems, and promote creativity and equality. So given the state of the world today, our transition from success, wealth and opportunities for the select few at the expense of others to success, health, wealth and opportunities in service for the greater good and the planet, we now have to cope and adapt with relentless change and complexity. There's a thin line between service and avarice. Leadership is needed to build on strengths, to minimise weaknesses, and to work in community for results that benefit everybody without harm to people or the planet. It's a good idea to remind yourself it's not about you, it's about your audience. Leaders need to meet the needs of the audience, the people they are leading. So what's in it for me needs to be switched to what's in it for them. You may not have planned to be a leader. You may have landed here by default, perhaps because current leadership hasn't lived up to expectations, or even worse, has been detrimental to the health, the wealth, or satisfaction of yourself, your family, colleagues, or community. Get involved. You haven't got to the age you are without learning from your successes and from your mistakes. When you willingly share your knowledge and wisdom, you help others to thrive and grow without having to fall into the same pitfalls that you did. And if they do, you can help them to get up again faster and with less pain. This doesn't have to be a major production. You can simply lead by example. You can be well-mannered, thoughtful, kind, eat healthily, exercise in an appropriate manner, get 8 hours sleep most nights, obey the laws that make sense, lobby to change the laws that don't make sense. Do your share of household and community chores. Be grateful for your education and learning opportunities. Manage your finances, manage your communication skills and your digital experiences. Switch complaining to problem solving. Encourage others to be resilient. And if you fall down again, get up again. Support causes that you believe in. Develop your personal, professional and spiritual skills. Be honest. And most of all, be true to yourself. Information overload can lead to overwhelm and apathy, so keep things simple and doable every day. Take charge of yourself. Take charge of your schedule. Make choices that take you closer to what you want and not further away. Resolve your addictions. Improve your relationships. Promote your health and well-being. Feed your heart. Feed your brain. Get plenty of rest and downtime. Make daily meditation a not negotiable. Make decisions instead of giving into confusion or overwhelm. Make plans and leave plenty of room for something better to come in. Self-mastery is non-negotiable. Leading others or not is a choice. Who better than you, with your wealth of knowledge and experience, with your unique blend of wisdom and pain and solutions, to be a role model or a mentor for others? It's time to set all the old stories aside, to put victim consciousness to rest, to forgive yourself and to forgive others for mistakes, and focus on creating a life and a world that you prefer. Use the manure of your past to fertilise what you would like to grow in your future. What does that look like for you? What is your next step? When will you take it? Is there anything you need to stop doing? Is there anything you need to start doing? Now is as good a time as any. Remember, until we meet again, laugh lots and you get more of what you think about.